What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford Transit remote key fob. This Ford Transit remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a quarter. If you don't have a quarter available, a flathead screwdriver will work as well. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and if we take a look down here near the key ring, off to the one side we see there's this notch right here. It's only on the one side, and it's the perfect size for this quarter to fit in there like that. Then once I have the quarter in there, I'm just going to twist it, and as I do that, it pops this cover up a little bit. Once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. I'm just going to take my finger and kind of press the edge of the battery to pop it up, get it out of that holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. Get it down in that holder. Then we'll snap this back cover on. Make sure that cover's all the way on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.